In a world where AI models are free and no one knows what they're good at, only one test can help find the true heroes and renegades. Welcome to Taco Tuesday, Episode 3. We're going to dive right in. 3 free models came in at the very top of our rankings. Dolphin Mistral 24B, Mistral Devstral 2512, and NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Nano. In this video, you'll see the Taco Tuesday menus they generated with just one prompt. And we've thrown in some extra graphics at the end. A little teaser for where we could go next with this project.
Carne asada, beans in a row. Which AI's got the sauce? Nobody knows.
Welcome to Taco Tuesday, a menu for the daring and the hungry. This is for thriller authors, adventurous vagabonds run the law, metaphorically or otherwise. We begin with appetizers, the opening act, because every great story starts with a hook and a snack. Try the Chekhov's guac or the queso de los muertos, melted cheese so rich it'll haunt your dreams. You might also go for the MacGuffin nachos. Moving on to tacos surf, for those who like their protein with a side of danger. Choose from The Old Man and the Shrimp, a tale of man versus crustacean, or Moby Dick's Revenge, grilled mahi-mahi served with mango habanero salsa. Next, we have Tacos Turf, for the carnivores who write murder mysteries. Indulge in The Silence of the Lambs, slow braised lamb, or try Pulp Friction, spicy chorizo with caramelized onions and queso fresco. For the peaceful but still suspicious, check out Tacos Vegetariano. Consider the big cheese theory, a taco so good it bends space-time, or 50 Shades of Kale, crispy kale that's spicier than the book. Tacos. Vegan is for the ethical but still hungry outlaws. We have Jack and the Beanstalk Taco, with jackfruit carnitas, or the Soylent Green Chili, mushroom walnut chorizo, 100% plant-based. The sides, the subplots, are for when even side characters deserve love. Try the Mexican Street Corn, the sequel, or the usual suspects, black beans and cilantro lime rice. Our mocktails liquid inspiration are for when you need a drink but still have to finish your manuscript. Options include the Hemingway Daiquiri, Agatha's Poison Chalice, and the Virgin Margarita. Finally, dessert, the epilogue, because even the darkest stories need a sweet ending. Enjoy the Churro of Monte Cristo, cinnamon sugar churros with chocolate dipping sauce. Come for the tacos, stay for the existential crisis. Welcome to our Taco Tuesday menu, a thrilling culinary adventure. This video contains confidential information about our latest offerings. Start your investigation with our bait and bite appetizers. Try the spicy cliffhanger wings, the guessing game of mystery meatballs, or the zesty suspicious salsa. Next, turn the page to our page-turning potions mocktails. Solve the puzzle with a murder mystery margarita, escape reality with the adventure aid, or enjoy the whodunit watermelon. Our main suspects are the tacos in A Literary Feast. Part 1. Explore the surf options like the Great Fish Escape and Catch-22 Calamari. On the turf side, we have the butcher, the baker, and pork chops and limes. Gluten-free options are available for both categories. Part 2 of our Literary Feast includes our vegetarian and vegan selections. For Vegetariano, there is Vegetable Vengeance and the Garden of Good and Evil. Vegana offers the Vegan Vigilante and Beyond the Beef. Each section also includes a gluten-free option. No plot is complete without the supporting cast of sides. Choose from the spiced cliffhanger beans, the flavor plot twist of mystery rice, or the killer suspicious salad. Case closed. We hope you enjoy your Taco Tuesday adventure. Thank you for watching this video. The final slide lists the image sources used in this menu.
Welcome to Taco Tuesday. This is not your average fiesta. This is the mystery menu. This lineup was crafted specifically for the thriller-spinning authors and wanderlust vagabonds out there, the kind of people who like their tacos served with a side of intrigue. Let's start with the surf options. These aquatic suspects make up 25% of the deck. First, we have the Red Rising Tide Shrimp Taco. It's a tidal wave of chili lime foam that makes you shrimp with anticipation. Next, the Mariner's Whisper, a secret sauced fish fillet that whispers "Who done it?" in every bite. Then there is the Abyssal Avocado Ceviche, a deep-sea mystery of lime, cilantro, and avocado that dives into your palate. And finally, the Coral Crest Fish Taco, a splash of tropical intrigue, served with a fantastic hint of mango salsa. Now, we move to the turf, another 25% of the deck, for those who prefer their mysteries on solid ground. Behold the Dark Knight carne asada, a steak-sized plot twist, char-grilled to perfection, and marinated in noir-level mystery. Investigate the Sherlock bacon shredded chicken, clue-filled chicken shredded so fine you'll suspect it's a literary masterpiece. Beware the vampire sanguine pork carnitas, slow-cooked pork that sucks you in with smoky, sweet, and slightly blood-red chipotle. And don't overlook the gumshoe black bean beef, a hearty, earthy blend that solves the case of the missing flavor. For our vegetarian detectives, we present the Vegetariano section. First up, the Garden of Forking Taco, a labyrinth of roasted corn, zucchini, and pepper that branches out with every bite. Then, the Plot Twist Portobello, a meaty mushroom that turns the page on texture. We also have the Haiku Harvest Black Bean and Corn, a 5-7-5 of flavor, black beans, corn, and a dash of lime that haikus your taste buds. And lastly, the Enigma Eggplant Fajita, smoky eggplant strips that keep you guessing who done it until the last bite. Meet the silent protagonist jackfruit, a plant-based enigma that speaks only through its tangy barbecue glaze. Try the Metafiction Lentil Lime Crunch, a layered taco that breaks the fourth wall with cilantro lime crema. There is the plot device chayote slaw, shredded chayote, tossed in a secret vinaigrette that writes its own ending. And the unreliable narrator sweet potato, a sweet potato that pretends it's a taco but keeps you guessing the filling. You'll need something to wash down the clues. Here are the mocktails, our no-spoiler section. The Plot Twist Margarita Mocktail, a lime-kissed mystery with a splash of pineapple that turns the page on ordinary. The Red Herring Bloody Mary, virgin, tomato-rich, celery crisp, and garnished with a mystery olive. Perfect for detectives on a diet. The Whispering Watermelon Cooler, cool, crisp, and subtly sweet. It hushes the palate before the next clue. Before the main event, consider the opening act. The opening gambit queso, a molten cheese dip that sets the stage for a delicious drama. The Red Herring Empanadas, mini empanadas stuffed with spiced beef or beans. You'll suspect they're too good to be true. And don't forget the supporting cast. Clue Crunch tortilla chips, seasoned with a dash of cumin and a pinch of intrigue. The Red Herring Guacamole, a guac that masks its true identity with jalapeno heat. The Closing Argument Salsa Trio, 3 salsas, 3 suspects. Choose your side. Remember, at Taco Tuesday, every bite is a clue, every flavor a red herring, and every finish a satisfying the end or just the beginning. Enjoy the mystery, detectives.
Here are the image sources used throughout this video.
The time is now, let it go. Take a chance, we're coming in slow. Hold your horses, not just yet. What did he say? We don't know. On the line, in the light, when the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight it's gonna be wild. It's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. The time is now, let it go. Take a chance, we're coming in slow. Hold your horses, not just yet. What did he say? We don't know. On the line, in the light, in the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight it's gonna be wild. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. No time to waste. Baby, you just need a taste of what we're serving on your plate. Tonight it's gonna be wild. When I look in your eyes, I see a lover in disguise, in the light, when the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now.